A moment that you have had growing and building and supersizing your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom today is a light bulb moment. And I had a light bulb moment when I realized that the lights aren't working. Ever had that happen in your business? Sometimes things don't go according to plan. And today I realized I need a new battery for these. My 2-year-old granddaughter's been playing with them a lot, and I think that they have been cajoled and jostled to the point of needing a new battery, or at least needing some kind of technical assistance so that they light up. This idiom is a relatively new idiom. It first appeared in English in 1974, and it's attributed to Dick Cavett using it to describe an idea that he had. He said, it did strike me one day like a light bulb moment in a comic strip. You know those little bubbles above characters' heads in comic strips? Those bubbles are like light bulb moments. A lot of times we even see little light bulbs drawn in them to implicate and to suggest an idea, an instant or quick and surprising sometimes idea that pops into our head, or a sudden inspiration, a revelation, or a recognition of something that we've probably heard 1,000 times before or 100 times before, but it didn't sink in to our sometimes thick skulls the importance or the possibilities that it could have, or the implications for our business. So today we're going to do something a little different. Instead of me sharing all my thoughts and my ideas about inspiration and light bulb moments and ahas and epiphanies, I'm going to ask that you share one light bulb moment that you've had while you've been building and growing and supersizing your business. Share in the comments below so that we can learn from one another. I think there's nothing more powerful than learning from the examples of other people. Of course, a light bulb moment can be a positive or a negative realization, revelation, or sudden inspiration, right? Maybe it's all of a sudden you think about a problem that you've had for a long time and you have a solution and you're like, oh my gosh, why didn't I think of this sooner? Why didn't I do this sooner? I love how creative people are when it comes to solving problems, and some of the gadgets and the fun things that they invent. And I wonder what caused them to have that realization, of that epiphany, that it was such a good idea that they were going to create a business out of it. So that's it. That's all I've got today. It is, of course, the day before Christmas Eve. So like so many others, I am getting close to the wire to make sure it's a great holiday for those I love and care about. And I want to work on that today. So that's why I'm going to ask for your help in spreading the information, sharing your wisdom in terms of your experience when it comes to having epiphanies, light bulb moments, aha moments as you're building and growing and supersizing your business. Don't have to be a long story. You could just say, hey, I realized that my partner was a crook, or I realized that I was serving the wrong group of people. Whatever it is, share in the comments below. And I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to supersize and grow your business? Have a great day. Bye.